Around age 50, your brain quietly starts replacing its own immune cells. You won't feel it happening. A new study found that between 50 and 75, the brain's original immune cells decline and get replaced by cells that are more inflammatory. This shift happens during the exact window when Alzheimer's-related changes are thought to begin, and chronic inflammation is considered a central driver of the disease. This is happening inside your brain, silently, with zero symptoms you'd notice day to day. The only way to get any visibility into your inflammation levels is to actually test for it. At VitalFit, we look at your actual inflammation, metabolic, and cardiovascular markers, and tell you exactly what testing makes sense, especially as you move through your 40s and 50s. It's a 60-minute root cause assessment, a real deep dive, and a clear plan for what to test next, $150. Comment SS and I'll send you the link. Visit vitalfit.com to start your journey today.